10 decisions shape your life. You'll be aware of 5 about 7 ways to go through school. Either you're noticed or left out. 7 ways to get ahead. 7 reasons to drop out. When I said I can see me in your eyes, you said I can see you in my pants. That's not just friendship, that's romance too. You like music, we can dance to. Sit me down, shout me up, I'll come down, and I'll get along with you. Hey, I'm Vasco, and today I'll show you how I'm playing I'll Try Anything Once by The Strokes. I'll show you how to play it in the original key with a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's go. Okay, so basically throughout the song we have 3 different parts. It starts with the verse, which is F to C. And we're repeating this thing twice. F to C. And while playing these chords, I'm strumming them once, and then I'm doing gentle 1 string pick, pretty randomly basically. And then C. And after that, just for 1 strum, I'm putting my pointing finger right here on the 1st fret of the C string. And then we go to D minor, G, F, C, okay? So, let's see how this goes slowly. 10 decisions shape your life. You'll be aware of 5 about 7 ways to go through school. Either you're noticed or left out. 7 ways to get ahead. 7 reasons to drop out. And here we go to the pre-chorus, which have really quick chord changes. And the first one is D minor to F, just removing the ring finger, then to A minor, just removing the pointing finger, and then grabbing G. And if we count it in time, they go like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, and with the same rhythmic, the next chorus, C to E minor to G to F. All right, so slowly I'll be counting. Try to do it with me. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. When I said I can see me in your eyes, you said I can see you in my pants. That's not just friendship, that's romance too. You like music, we can dance to. And here we go to the chorus, which is basically the same chords as the pre-chorus, but we are grabbing it up because there is a little melody. If the following is too hard for you, you can just play the same thing as in the pre-chorus. Sit me down, shout me up, I'll come down, and I'll get along with you. But I'll come a little bit closer to show you what I'm doing with the little melody here integrated into the chords. which is pretty fun to learn. So let me come and show it to you. So there are two different versions released of the song. The one is by the name The Strokes, and the other is from Julian himself. The difference is just in this part. So I'll show you both, and you can decide for yourself which one you want to use. So the one that is from The Strokes goes like this: D minor right here, okay, and then really quickly playing the A string on the 3rd fret, and then grabbing F chord with the pinky here on the 2nd fret, and then A minor, okay, and then grabbing G, and then E string with the pinky reaching here on the C string, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, okay, so. Alright, and now we go to C with the pinky right here on the 7th fret, okay, sliding it to 5th, and then grabbing E minor, but also we need to press here the A string on the 3rd fret, so I'm doing like this, okay, then G and F. Alright, and the second part, we grab D minor right here, but the pinky goes on the 8th fret, okay, then 7th fret, then grabbing F like this is F6 actually, and then on the E string, 8th fret, and then moving the bar to the 7th fret, avoiding the A string, and here we have this quick thing that is on the E string 10th fret, on the A string 8th fret, and then like this on the 8th fret on the E string as well. Okay, so just the second part so far. Okay, and then the C thing is exactly the same. All right, so slowly the same thing. Sit me down, shut me up, I'll come down, and I'll get along with you. And the other version that you can find in Spotify, just the first part is a little bit different. It starts right here on the 8th fret. It doesn't start on the 5th fret. So it goes like this. Okay. And then moving to A minor here, and then G. And then the C is exactly the same. And the other part is also exactly the same. Alright, I know that they're very similar, but I cannot know which one is your favorite, so I decided to show both. So that was my ukulele tutorial for I'll Try Anything Once. Thank you so much for watching it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. You'll see me on my next video. Oh, and also comment below some suggestions for the next song. See you. Bye.